Hello, sweet team. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sweet Ajele, and I am back with another Sweetie Teen Teens recipe. We're making chocolate ice cream. Yes, so simple with just 3 ingredients. Let's get started. In a bowl, add in some heavy cream, also known as whipping or double cream. And we're going to go ahead and whip it until it is at a hard peak. Yes, I found whipping cream on sale, so I bought a whole lot to make all the recipes. I filmed them, didn't get a chance to post it, but we need to post all the ice cream recipes before the summer runs away. To that, we'll add some of our homemade chocolate syrup, and I hope you've seen the recipe for that. If not, I'll leave the link in the description box for you to check out. We will add that and also some condensed milk. Remember, the chocolate syrup is already sweet, so we don't need too much condensed milk. So please add it to your taste, and we're going to go ahead and whip it until it is well combined. Now, when it comes to the chocolate syrup or sauce, you can add as much as possible, but remember, the richness of the chocolate is going to cause it to take a longer time to freeze. Yes, chocolate does not freeze as easily as just the vanilla. We'll then go ahead and mix it until everything is well combined. Yes, you do not need an ice cream machine to make ice cream at home. All you need to do is transfer it into a freezer-safe container like this one, cover it up and keep in your freezer for about 12 hours. Yes, chocolate, as I said, takes a longer time to freeze, and it doesn't even freeze as hard as the vanilla ice cream. Talking about that, did you make that yet? And did you make your chocolate syrup? If not, I'll leave all those links in the description box for you to check out. 12 hours later, our chocolate ice cream is ready. Scoop some, enjoy it with a cone, a bowl, however you love to enjoy your ice cream. All that is left for us is to serve and enjoy. And I'm going to be pairing it with some of our butter cookies. Have you seen that recipe? No worries, I'll leave that link as well. All are invited to enjoy this absolutely delicious ice cream with me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and are inspired to try the recipe. If you do, share pictures with me on Instagram and I will share it on my story. Until I see you in the next one, stay safe, keep loving each other, and remember that the love of God and family is life's greatest blessing. And guys, ke unamini uchemi sweet mahabotu. Bye y'all.